I welcome you back to my channel. I'm Julius, hair specialist. I'm also known as JK. JK is my initials. Today we are going to go through this trending new hairstyle called spiral curls. It is very easy to learn and it doesn't take long time plaiting it. Firstly, you have to do the inside cornrows. After our inside cornrows, as you can see them, then we start crocheting. We are now crocheting the spiral curls, and take note that this type of crochet and most of the crochets are good on inside cornrows. Don't use outside cornrows. They will not favor you and they will not bring out the clear picture of this type of crochets, and normally most of the crochets. So right now I'm crocheting. I do the crocheting and I make sure I tighten the braids after crocheting them. Thank you so much for following. Thank you so much, people who are viewing around the globe. And I remind you, if there is any type of hairstyle that you want me to do for you, you can go into my comment section and let me know. And after crocheting, I've crocheted like a bit, not all the space, all the head, so right now I make sure I start twisting. It's not good to crochet the whole head and then twist at the same time. You will not balance the head very well. It's better you crochet a part of the head and you twist, and then you crochet again, finishing, and then you twist as well. So right now I'm twisting. I'm not using the other kind of the old way of twisting, which is so tight, This is a twisting that is very soft. I just try to join the hair to do this twisting so easily. I just throw on. I don't twist it so hard. So right now, I'm crocheting again this remaining part. Thank you, and you can share this video to your friends, to people that you love to learn hair. This kind of hairstyle is also a protective method, is a protective hairstyle. In case you have weak hair, you can try this crochet. It favors you, it favors every kind of hair because the hair is very, very light. And make sure when you're doing the cornrows that I'm crocheting on, you don't have to be so hard on it. You make it a little bit loose. You don't tighten the hair too much. Yeah. So I'm again twisting. Thank you so much. Thank you. And if you want to learn physically, you can contact me. I also teach. I have physical classes. Then after everything, crocheting, twisting, now I'm leveling. Thank you, because I'm almost coming to the end of this video. I give an applause again to people in the United States, my friends in Canada, my friends in UK, people in Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, Morocco. I've seen people following me in Tanzania. I've seen people in Uganda. Thank you so much. Everywhere you are watching from Brazil, thank you so much. Let me leave you to enjoy this remaining part. I'm almost done. After leveling here, I'll almost be done with everything. Thank you. God bless you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe.